Hello guys, did you hear about the new OpenAI Codex tool? I think it's amazing. What you can do is you can hook it into your GitHub repository and you can actually use the agent to do vibe coding. You can literally give it some scripts. What it will do is it will generate a pull request on your GitHub repository. You can review code, you can look at your code, you can vibe code and you can actually ask it to change it, and it will, when you approve, it will go and raise a pull request on your GitHub repo, which you can approve. So let me give you a demo. I just went to ChatGPT Codex page and you need to add a new environment. So I will go to manage environments and I've got 2 environments already. I'm supposed to create a new environment. And as you can see, it is asking me to use one of my GitHub repos. So I will go to GitHub. I will maybe create a new repo. Okay, I've added a repo name. I will keep it private for now. I will add README. Might as well share it publicly, isn't it? So I've kept it public and add README and create a repo. There it is. And now I should be able to find this in my environment list. Okay, there it is. Description and code execution. I think we can connect with an interactive terminal and see if it can talk to the repo successfully. Done. That worked. It's still working. Okay, nice. I will create an environment. And now we have a new environment. So what I'll do is I'll describe a task. Let's see. First, I'll choose the environment. Okay, create a new project for creating an AWS Bedrock agent. Add Terraform scripts and GitHub action workflows to deploy this through infrastructure as code. Include Python project for Lambda so that I can run some actions. What else? Describe this project in detail in a README. Good. I think now I will ask it to code. Now it's working. Now, while it's working, I will go and probably maybe have a walk or just enjoy some tea. If I click on it, you can even see what it's doing. You can clearly see it is working on the task and is doing things. It couldn't find a Terraform version, so I think it will try to install it as needed. This is what I assume. Maybe it might need to install some tooling, but it will figure it out. It has to, otherwise it doesn't make sense. Now, why do we? Yeah, if it can't, then I think I can just do it myself. Oh, it's done. So look, it has created a pull request. It has given a nice summary of what it has done. It wasn't able to run Terraform. So maybe the reason was that we didn't set an environment. And what I mean is we didn't configure the environment properly. But you can see it has added some a GitHub action workflow, Terraform init, plan, and apply. I think those who have worked with Terraform, I think this is very basic. You might need something better. Pip install Lambda requirement. Yep, that's what we needed. It explains the project structure quite nicely. Created a very simple Lambda app. Main, outputs, provider, variable. And done. What I would say, create a pull request. And now if I go to the pull request as in on my repo, actually I'll just directly go here and there it is. And now we can either review it, we can even ask, we can probably include Codex to even review it, but it doesn't make sense. For now, I'll just merge it. Aha, so I think because I asked it to add a Terraform code, it's triggering the GitHub action workflow itself, which isn't right. So what I'll say is, trigger the workflow, trigger the GitHub action workflow after merging to main, because I'm thinking of it as a deployment. But you can, make it more, you can make it have a proper setup, which is run some tests when a new pull request gets created. So it's up to you how you use it. Okay, as you can see, it has added a section for branches. So this will be triggered on pull request, branches main, and types closed. So was it different from what? Let's see what was the difference. So it was on push to branch and pull request on main. Okay, so what I'll now do is, this is good. So I'll update the branch. And it has nicely added some summary, some testing bits, and that's it. And no conflicts because Terraform workflow did not run. And there it is. We have successfully merged it. And there we go. AWS Bedrock Agent Codex. Oh, we haven't actually reviewed the agent itself. Okay. For now, I just wanted to give you a flavor of, how we can, what we can create. In fact, I just created a project initially, isn't it? But as you can see, you can kind of create a lot more things out of it. I just created a Lambda as a Bedrock agent function. But let me have a proper demo on how to create AWS agents that can take some action, that can maybe, I don't know, I'll think of some action and maybe I'll try to do it with Codex. We'll see. And that's it. If you like this demo, then please give me a thumbs up and please try to use all these different tools. The more things you try, the better it will be. Thank you. Keep studying.